In this video, we are going to look at Grifform's slip-resistant flooring feature. This feature is ADA approved and applies a slight etching to the flooring of your shower base. As seen on the right, non-slip-resistant finished flooring is smooth to the touch, whereas slip-resistant finished flooring has a much more coarse and grainy feeling to it. Choosing to apply slip-resistant finish will alter the look of the surface depending on the color you choose. The more pigment in the material, the greater the change slip-resistant finish will have. The darker, closer to black a color is, the more noticeable slight markings, or in this case, slip-resistant finish, will show. Slip-resistant finish is not applied to the entry variations no drip and drip entry, and is applied to the entry variations sloping and ramping. With coved wall shower pans, slip-resistant finish is applied roughly 2 inches from the entry and outer wall variations across the entire floor. Depending on the color you choose, this allows there to be an attractive visible separation between the slip-resistant finished flooring and the outer threshold and wall. With sloping or ramping entry point variations, the slip-resistant finish remains roughly 2 inches from the wall, but runs all the way through the entry to the exit of the shower pan. This is because these entry points act almost as an extension of the floor, rather than having a direct threshold divider such as no drip entry. With square walls and straight walls, the slip-resistant texture is applied to the entire floor, flush to the edge of any entry point, and to the edge of the wall variation.